Hello everyone, welcome to our show. My name is Saurabh. Raje, I'm your host, Bartender. Today we are going to make something really unique, very Indian, it's called chaanch, but with a twist of vodka in it. Everybody loves chaanch, buttermilk, tak, there's like a different names for it. So yeah, let's not waste time and make it. Alright, so for today's alcoholic buttermilk, we are going to be using fresh curd, some dhania, coriander, black salt, jeera masala, sugar, and some actual jeeras in it. Alright, so in order to make our drink, we are going to be needing a blender jar and we'll be adding these ingredients into the jar. Alright, so let's start with the curd. In order to make a good cocktail, it's better to use a good quality curd. Alright, then we'll be using some coriander, dhania, some black salt, jeera masala, sugar, and some jeera. And the final touch to it, the game changer, 2 ounces of vodka. Then some ice in it. That's it. And now we are going to be blending this together and let's see the magic. Alright, so our chaanch is almost ready, looking really well blended. Let's pour it in a glass. Got a beautiful color to it. Alright, that's it. And for garnish, just sprinkle some jeera masala on top. Beautiful. And for garnish, a beautiful mint in the middle. That's it. Ooh la la. And there you have it. Beautiful alcoholic buttermilk chaanch.